Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to remove Indeed emails from your Gmail account. Managing your inbox by unsubscribing from unwanted emails helps keep your focus on the messages that matter most to you. So, let's get started on how to remove Indeed emails in Gmail. Start by opening the Indeed app on your device. Tap the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Communication Settings. Next, tap on Email. Here, you will see a list of email options. Scroll down and uncheck each option to stop specific email notifications. At the bottom, select Unsubscribe from all commercial emails to stop receiving all emails from Indeed. And that's how you can remove Indeed emails in Gmail. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.